Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipt on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone and I have logged into my Instagram account. And first of all, we can go to the Instagram direct message and we can select a group chat or a personal chat that wants to disable the read receipt on. And for example, I'm going to select my personal chat, this one. Tap on the room chat and we can tap on the account name right here, and here we can select privacy and safety, and to turn off the read receipt we can simply tap on the circle button like this. Okay, and now the read receipt has been turned off, and if you want to turn off the read receipt on another room chat, you can just do the same step. For example, I'm going to turn off the read receipt on my group chat, this one. We can just tap on the group chat and click on the group chat's name and click on privacy and safety, and we're going to click on read receipt right here to turn off the read receipt. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.